Ladies and gents, welcome to the Moss Outdoorsman with our man, Randall Moss, the small town boy from Gastonia who became a man, a husband, and a father. The sixth sport athlete who became a hunter, a fisherman, and an outdoorsman. You know, sometimes when the balls start bouncing, as he would say, you gotta find something to give you that rush. And boy, oh boy, did my man find something in hunting, fishing, and the outdoorsman life. Now he's giving you tips and tricks so that you could be on top of your game. So now, without further ado, y'all give it up for the host, Mr. Brown Redneck himself, Randy Moss.
Welcome to the Moss Outdoorsman. On this episode, it's titled Southern Roots and Family Traditions. Stay tuned.
Watch out, guys. Watch out. Go.
Timber! Hey, get ready to keep rolling, boys. Caleb, right here. Carrie, right here. Ava, right here. I'm right here. Okay. Grab the middle.
Wait for a minute.
Grab the middle. Grab the middle.
Somebody grab the back end of it.
Okay, wait.
Oh, I'll grab the back.
Appreciate you. Yes, sir.
Ava, right here. Right here. Get ready to
Daddy
lift.
ain't carrying nothing.
Heave ho! 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 Heave
She's unthinking about it.
Heave ho! Heave ho! Just heave ho! Come on, we go down here.
Come on, pick it up.
Pick it up. Let's go. Hey, look, let's go. You got the water.
Go help. Go help.
Oh,
Good job. Okay, look, you about to step on the tree?
How about y'all just stay straight? Yep, straight.
The rope right
yeah,
over
go
there.
straight down.
Oh, the road right here.
Oh,
The road right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Keep on going.
watch out. Watch the other trees.
How about this?
Hey.
Instead of you guys at the back, somebody get up here and help Caleb carry the front.
Yeah.
Carry it. Good job.
Y'all watch them stumps. Be careful. Be careful.
You need to put the tag on, right? Yeah. Watch out. Watch out. He's gonna put the tag on the side.
Yeah, I got more power right here.
Can't beat it, man. Can't beat it.
Doesn't matter if it's right here.
Good weather today.
All right. All right, guys.
Pick back up, boys.
You guys are gonna earn it. Let's go.
Watch to make sure you don't get on any stumps.
Like a blessed man if all this was yeah.
There's stumps here. Hey, I need to take a break.
Come
Good.
on, Caleb. Turn
Caleb
around.
says he needs to take a break. Switch out with Carrie.
Switch out with Carrie, Caleb. Switch out with Carrie.
Let's go. You got it. You got it. We're going this way. No.
Abram,
Let's
go
go.
pick up the end.
Abram, go help Carrie.
You're going towards the trees.
Caleb, take a break if you need to. Abram, help Carrie.
Come on.
We got it. We got it. Let's move. Let's move, boys. Let's move.
You're doing good, Abe. Just hold
Don't
it
run
back
into the
up.
other trees.
Carrie, Carrie.
Keep good job.
Go.
All right, wonderful. Y'all did good, man.
All right, you got like.
Y'all did a great job, that gentleman.
Okay, don't put it down. Don't put it down.
Okay, y'all good. Y'all
Y'all
good.
good
Put it
now.
down. Put it down.
All right,
Put it
be right
down.
there.
Run.